morning, children. Uh, Today we will revise some topics of grammar. Okay, as you all know that from tomorrow your exams are going on. So in English, I am going to revise some topics like doing words. Doing words means action words. Okay, uh, doing words are those words. The words that tell us what naming words or are doing something. Okay, it is also called verbs. Okay, like drink, eat, write, shine, watch, play, cook, eat. Okay, so these all are doing words and so on. And today I am going to tell you about how to change the verb कैसे change करते हैं that also I will tell you. Okay, so first of all we will talk about what are the action words like sleeps, okay, and takes, gives, runs, dance, sings. Okay, now I will tell you the some sentences using verbs. ये जो this type of verbs. Okay, like my auntie cooks delicious food. Okay, my sister sings very well. My brother plays cricket. So plays, sings, cooks. These are the verbs. Okay, these are the doing words, because from these words we come to know what is going there, what is happening. Okay, now if we will talk about other verbs, like sometimes we use ing also, like singing, dancing, eating, writing, reading. So ing, when it adds ing, that means the things or the work is going right now, at present. Okay, so like I am reading a book, that means I am reading that book right now. Okay, then when someone asks you what are you doing, and if you tell them I am writing table, so writing means that time you are doing that thing, that's why you are using writing. Okay, so that time what you will write? WRITING. So that time E will not be written there, E will vanish and ing you will add. Okay, as it is, there are so many words like painting, dancing, eating, cooking, flying, playing, skipping, walking, talking. So these are the verbs. Okay, and whenever we use is, am, are, that time we can use ing words. Okay, like Smita is eating food. Okay, so Smita is, here we have used is. Okay, and we will use is with a single person or single thing. Okay, and always it will be used with he, she, it or single noun. Fine, like if I have told you just now that Smita is reading, means Smita is a girl and she is a one girl only. Fine, as it is, if we will talk about are, ARER, so it will be merged with only we, you and they. Okay, we means more than one person. Okay, you means whatever it is, the singular person, but that time only you will be used with are only. Fine. Are will use in you with you. Okay. And then they. They means more than one person. Okay. So again, you, we and they we will use with are only. Fine. Then am. A-M-M. We will use am with I only. I am a boy. I am a girl. I am a doctor. I am a teacher. Whatever. So, whenever we will talk about ourselves, that time we will use I with am. Okay. A-M-M. Fine. So here are some examples, and one more thing, one more topic is there in grammar, that is has and have. Similarly, has will use with he, she and it. Okay. Then have will use with I, we, you and they. Okay. Clear? Suppose I will give you some examples of has. It has 4 legs. We will talk about animal. Animal. For animal we cannot use he or she. For animal we can use it only. Like if we will talk about a horse. Horse. This is a horse. It has 4 legs. It has a long tail, bushy tail. So this is the example of has. Okay. Now I will tell you one example of have. I have a red pen. Okay. Then you have beautiful doll. Okay. Then we have to go to school. They have come with their parents. Okay. So I, we, you, they we will use with have. And he, she, it. She has a teddy bear. Okay. Then he has a big book. So always we will use has with he, she and it. And always we will use have with I, we, you and they. Okay. I hope that is clear. Then these are some topics. Okay. And I told you how to use is, am, are. So I will send you some practice worksheet to solve this. So you can solve it in your rough notebook also. So that that is for your practice only. Fine. Okay. So I'll meet you again, and all the best for tomorrow's paper, tomorrow's exam. Thank you.